everybody. I just wanted to check in and let you know what's going to be happening for Chapter 2. So first of all, thank you so much for joining the meet yesterday or whatever your day was. I know that the video can be kind of awkward, but everyone did a really good job, so thank you for that. I think it's much better to communicate when we can use our voices and faces as well as just typing. So for Chapter 1, all you need to do is complete the work that's in your group's Google Doc. Some of you have already finished, but if you're not sure where to find that, it's just in our class page in class materials, and then if you click on Book Meets Google Docs, these are the 4 documents, and then in each one it might have your name beside some instructions or a definition or something that you can complete. So for Chapter 2, you just need to read the chapter, and then you can be prepared to read the following pages, so the pages that are here for your group. And you should practice so that you can define all the words in your selection. So if me or one of the other students asks you about a word that's in your section or on your pages, you should know what that means. And you should also just be practicing your reading fluency. Everyone is doing really well. The only thing that some people are still getting stuck on are the ends of words. So for example, words like played or stayed, when you say them correctly, but when you read them, you're pronouncing the E sometimes, like stay-ed or play-ed instead of stayed or played. So that's something you can be listening for when you're practicing. The practice passages are here. So as you know, there's 2 groups reading each book. So for the outsiders, the group 1 can read these pages and group 2 can read these ones. You should read up till the end of the page. So, for example, Ken and Karanvir are going to read pages 18, 19, 20, and 21, and Dongmin is going to read, and Ahmad are going to read 22, 23, 24, 25, etc. And then for Alice, the pages are too big, so I just said the beginning and end line of the passage that you can read, and if you can't find it, you can email me and I will highlight it for you. And I think that's it. So I look forward to seeing everybody in the Chapter 2 meetings. Just this weird ending here in Noor is just because I know we talked about you maybe switching groups but weren't sure, so it doesn't matter which group you join, I will just read whichever one you don't join. So happy reading, everybody, and I will see you next week.